Welcome to the full review of the Grout Pen from our short. Right away, for everyone looking for this product, the direct link to it is waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment below. Now, let us look at how it works and what makes it so popular. Using the pen is incredibly simple. You just give it a good shake and then gently press the nib down a few times on a piece of cardboard or paper. This primes the pen and gets the water-based formula flowing smoothly. Once the nib is ready, you simply draw along your old, discolored grout lines. The precision tip gives you excellent control, and the formula covers the old grout completely, leaving a crisp, clean, brilliant white line. The formula is eco-conscious and fast-drying, so you do not have to wait hours for your bathroom to be ready. It is also designed to be long-lasting and water-resistant once it has fully cured. With over 30,000 reviews on Amazon, it is an incredibly popular solution for a quick and easy bathroom refresh. Thanks for watching. So, if you are ready to make your tiles look brand new again, remember that clickable link is waiting for you in the description.